guys, today I am a new video taking a video for you. Wild animal, the elder video, and I am to come on the name of domestic animal. If you have not seen that video, please check it. Let's start. Bear means bhalu. Bear means bhalu. Deer means heron. Deer means heron. Fox means lomdi. Fox means lomdi. Gorilla means one manush. Gorilla means one manush. Gorilla means one manush. Hippopotamus means daryai ghoda. Hippopotamus means daryai ghoda. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Leopard means tendua. Leopard means tendua. Lion means sher. Lion means sher. Tiger means cheetah. Tiger means cheetah. Rhinoceros means genda. Rhinoceros means genda. Rhinoceros means genda. Giraffe means giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Zebra means zebra. Zebra means zebra. Zebra means zebra. Zebra means zebra. So that's all. Is the elder video, and I am come to you on the name of domestic animals. If you have not seen that video, please check it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.